Open the kit and ensure everything is included. Use the included list of components as a guide. Tell a service desk member if anything is missing. PodTrack P4 recorder comes with a USB-C USB cable to supply power to the device and for transferring files. Use the power adapter to power the device. Plug the USB-C end of the gray cord into the recorder as shown. Plug the USB end of the gray cord into the power adapter. Find an outlet close to the table you're using. Insert the SD card into the device using the slot at the side. Next, set up the mics on the stands. Plug the end of the XLR cable with holes into the microphone. Plug the other end of the XLR cable with prongs into the device. Plug in the headphones you are using into the headphone jacks. Turn on the recorder. The power button is at the right-hand side of the device. Give the device a few seconds to turn on. You'll see the screen light up. Format the SD card by pressing the menu button, then the stop button to move down the menu options. Scroll down to Settings, select it by hitting the record button, then scroll down through the options, pressing the stop button, select SD card, then Format, then Execute. It may take a few moments to complete. Go to Menu, then Mic Settings. Select Low Cut. Low Cut will remove any hum or background noise. You can turn it on and off by pressing the record button. Go back by pressing the menu button, select Limiter. The limiter will prevent your audio from recording too loud. You can also turn it on and off for each mic. It's recommended to keep both on. Turn up the gain knob for each mic. Set it to about halfway to start. These knobs control how loud each mic is recorded. Leave the switch in the far left position. Make sure that you do not have the mute button selected for any of your inputs. You can also adjust the headphone volume by turning the corresponding knob. You'll need to test the levels of each mic to see how loudly it's being recorded. Speak into the mic normally. If the levels are too low, turn up the gain knob. If you see the levels reach the top, turn down the gain. Speak again normally into the mic. If the bar is reaching around 3/4 of the way while you're speaking, then you have ideal levels. When you're ready to record, press the record button. If you stop the recording, it will create a new file. To stop the recording, press the stop button. When you press record, it will start a new file. If you want to pause, press the pause button. You can restart the recording by pressing the pause button again. Press the stop button when you want to save the file. Press the play button when you want to play back your files. Use the A, B, C, and D button to scroll through your recordings and fast forward and rewind as shown. An added feature of the recorder are sound pads. You can press the lettered buttons while recording to play a sound. You can turn the volume of the sound up and down using the knob. If you want to select different sounds, go to Menu, Sound Pad, and then see what sounds are programmed for each button. Select the letter you want to change, and then scroll to Sound Assign. You can choose a factory sound or a sound on your SD card. Press the menu button to return to the main screen. When you are done recording, press the power button to shut down the device. Remember to take out your SD card. Push it in to release the SD card. Be sure to pack away all the components of the kit and return the kit to the service desk.